So you are looking to keep your vibration on or off even when your iPhone 17 Pro Max is on silent. Plus you can customize it or create your own vibration pattern. So stick with me till the end and I will show you how. So first you have to open up your settings on your iPhone. Then go to accessibility first. You will find this touch option, just tap on it and then scroll a bit and here you will find this vibration option. Just you have to make sure it's turned on from here. So now the amazing part. So if you want your phone to vibrate even when it's on silent, just head over to settings again. Then you will find this haptic option here. Just head over to it and here you have to select always play or you can keep it play in silent mode. And from now your phone will vibrate while it's silent. And now if you want to make it more personal, you can customize the vibration. So just back from here, go to ringtone, then haptics, and now from here pick a default style or create your own by tapping out a pattern. And once you're happy, just hit save and give it a name. That's it. Your iPhone is now set to vibrate just the way you want. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.